Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford F-350 Lariat. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side. We're going to take a look at the BF Goodrich tires. You have running boards on the side, inside leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Looking at the back seats here, your back seats are heated seats, and you do have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Bed rug bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. And your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Lariat on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.